Now start with the exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1. Now the solution. Now which method did you use to find the mean? Now use the direct method. Now use the direct method because the numerical values are very easy and very small. So we can use the direct method by which we can easily solve out this problem. So now the number of plants is represent number of plants, number of houses means the frequency Fi. Now this is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Now the Fi is 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Now find the first of all the mid value. Now first of all find the mid value xi. Now how to find the mid value? Now the mid value equals to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Now 0 plus 2 upon 2. Now this is 1. Now in the same way, now all of them we can find out. Now the mid value of 0 and 2 is 1, 2 and 4 is 3, 4 and 6 is 5, 6 and 8 is 7, 8 and 10 is 9, 11 and now 13. Now next find Fi xi. Now the 1 into and 1 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 5 is 5, 5 into 7 is 35, 6 into 9 is 54, 2 into 11 is 22, 13 into 3 is 39. Now write down here the sum of Fi xi is. Now the 8 this is term we get 162. Now here sum of Fi is 20. Now the formula is the mean equals to summation xi fi upon summation fi. Now the summation of xi fi is 162. Now this is 20. Now we get 8.1. Now the number of plants per house is 8.1. Now the number of house is 8. Comes on the second question. Now solution. The daily wages 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Now the number of workers. Now number of workers represent to frequency. Now this is Fi. Now 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Now again find the first of all find the mid value. Mid value of this. Now the daily wages represent to x. Now the first of all find the xi. Xi is the mid value. Mid value. Now here mid value is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Now 100 plus 120 upon 2 is 110. Now the limit is 110, 130, 150, 1760, 170 and 190. Now find xi fi. Now the 12 into 110 is 1320. This is 1820. 15 into is 120 and this is 1200. Now this is 1020. Now this is, sorry, this is 10 only. This is 10. This is 1900. Now the sum of the xi fi is 7260. Now the sum of fi. Now the sum of fi is now 50. Now use the formula of the mean. Now use the formula of the mean. Mean daily wages of the worker. Now mean of the daily wages worker is summation xi fi upon summation fi. Now 7260 divided by 50. Now this is 145.2. Now this is 145.2. Now the solution of the third question. Following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of the children of the locality. Mean of the all allowance is the 18. They find the mixing frequency. Now the first of all comes. Now this is xi. Now first of all find the daily pocket allowance. Now the daily pocket allowance is 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. Now the number of children is represented to frequency. Now this is fi. 7, 6, 9, 13, f, 5, 4. Now first of all find the mid value. Now this is xi. Now the mid value of 11 and 13. Mid value is 11 plus 13 upon 2 is 12. Now this is 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now the xi fi is now xi 12 into 7 is 84, 14 into 6 is again 84, 16 into 9 is 144, 13 into 18 is 234. Now this is 20f. Now this is 110. Now 24 into 4 is 96. Now in this question given, the mean pocket allowance is 18. Now the x bar is given 18. So now first of all find the sum of the xi fi. Now the xi fi is the 752 plus 20f and the sum of fi. Now the sum of fi is 44 plus f. I use the formula x bar equals to summation fi xi upon summation xi. Now this is 18 equals to 752 plus 20f upon 44 plus f. Now by the cross multiplication and solve this expression, we get f equals to 20. Now come on the next part. Now the number of heartbeats are now given the number of heartbeats. Now given the number of heartbeats per minute. Now the number of women is represented to fi. Now this is 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. Now the Fi is 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4 and 2. Now in this method we are using the indirect method. Now the indirect method is a assume mean method. Now first of all find the di equals to xi minus a. Now here a is represent to assume mean. Now here a is assumed to assume. Now here a is assume mean. So first of all find out the xi. Now first of all find the now the xi is the mid value. Now the mid value is 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, 84.5. Now in this method the observations are very in this question. Now in these questions observations are very complicated, so we can use the now in this method the observations are very complicated, so assume mean method is the suitable to solve this question. Now the di equals to xi minus a. Now here a is assumed 66.5. now this is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and now 18. Now find FIDI. Now find the FIDI. Now FIDI is 0, 4 into 3, 12, 6 into 3 is 18, 8 into 9 is 72, 12 into 7 is 84, 15 into 4 is 60, 18 into 2 is 36. Now the sum of this is 282. Now the sum of the frequency is 30. Now the sum of the frequency is 30. Now we have considered the assumed mean is 66.5. The mean equals to assumed mean plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. Now the value of A is 66.5. Summation FIDI is 282 upon 30. Now by solving this expression we get 75.9.